What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to talk a bit about the database questions on LeetCode. So if you have to practice database queries or writing database like SQL code, you can practice on LeetCode. There are like about 10, or how many would you say? There's about this many questions that are free, right? And the unfortunate thing is that there are so many more questions that are behind LeetCode Premium. So if you really want LeetCode Premium and you have it, I recommend using LeetCode to practice your database questions. If not, I don't think there's really enough questions on here, enough variety, so I do recommend some other things such as SQL Bolt. So if SQL is the thing you have to learn, this site is amazing. It gets you warmed up and ready to go, and then you're ready to do almost any question after you've done all the exercises. There's about 10, and it doesn't take that long to complete. So it gives you a lesson, and then it's a quick refresher, and then you go and you have to complete questions at the end to get to the next lesson. And you can basically find all the information you're looking for up here, and you don't have to really Google anything. And the table updates live, so like you can do, find the title of each film, select title from movies, boom, it's done, check, and so on. So you got to use other resources if you want to practice database questions, in my opinion. But there are some. So we can take a look, like combine two tables, for example, if it would load today. Yeah, so as you can see, you can select your language up here, and it gives you the question, it gives you everything you need. Generally, database questions have a better acceptance rate, just because of how the languages are, It's more concrete of how to do things with these query languages. But yeah, you can select MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, or Oracle. I use Microsoft SQL Server, so that's what I would do. But they're almost the same thing. It's both SQL languages, and the only difference is, MySQL has a few other keywords that you can't use, like certain things with if statements and things like that, from what I think. But yeah, so that's an example right there. We can go back and just check out some other. There's mostly easy and mediums, and there are 2 hard questions, and if you scroll down there are a couple more free ones. But as you can see, if I just go through all the pages, you'll see how many are just LeetCode Premium questions. Like this whole page is LeetCode Premium, and there's like 4 pages in total, right? And you'll see the rest are literally LeetCode Premium. So if you have LeetCode Premium, definitely this site is good enough. If you don't, I recommend using some other sources. That's pretty much the point of this video. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.